Okay, in the following question, we have here a sector, and it says, how do we find the area of the following sector? Well, a sector is a section out of a circle, and this here would be the centre of the circle. Therefore, that would be a radius, and that would be a radius also, and this here is known as an arc. Is that all right? So we want to find the area of this, in other words, the space it occupies. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to think, first of all, this is a piece out of a full circle. And how do we find the area of a complete circle? Area of a complete circle is pi r squared. Now we're not finding a full circle, we're finding a piece out of it. In other words, a sector of this overall circle. So we use degrees to make that relationship. Now, how many degrees are in a full circle? There are 360 degrees, and the amount of degrees we have is 40 degrees. So I'm going to create a fraction there. I'm going to put 40 over the 360, and I'm going to incorporate that into this formula here. So we don't have an area of a circle anymore. We have the area of a sector is this degree fraction multiplied by the formula we have there. Now we need to sub in a few bits and pieces to get this finished. So we leave the fraction the way it is. Pi turns into 3.14 multiplied by the radius. Now the radius in this case was 10. Just label that. So I'm going to put, instead of my radius here, 10, and that is 10 squared. And we're now going to work this out. So we have 10 squared is 100. And 3.14 multiplied by 100 is 314. And then if we simplify this, I'm going to divide the top by 10 and the bottom by 10. The top by 4 and the bottom by 4. And we get 1/9. So we're going to do 1/9 multiplied by 314. And 314 is a fraction. It's 314 over 1. And to multiply fractions, it's top by top, bottom by bottom. And we get 314 over 9. And that is the answer to the area of this sector that we worked out. So just to recap, a sector is a portion of a circle. We use the area of a circle formula to find the area of the entire circle, but we then use the degree measure here as a fraction and multiply it by this formula to get the area of the sector, and we work our way through this setup here, and we then get the area of the sector. And that is the question finished.